So over here, you can see that I have a file right here. So if you want to share this out with other people, then what you can do is you can use the share option. So if I were to click on share, then you get access to the sharing options. So one of the things that you can do to share is type in the email address so that you can share this out with other persons. So I'm just going to go around over here, and if you were to go around over here and type in another email address right here, you can add in a message as well. So please see this file right here, and then you can give them privileges right here. So let's say, for example, you can make them viewer so that they can just view the file, or make them commenter so that they can just comment on the file, or you can give them full access by giving them editor privileges. So I'm just going to go around and keep it as editor, and I'm going to send right here. So once I do that, what happens is that the person is added, and the other person now will be able to access out the file and make changes as well, or view the file. If I were to click on share, there's another option over here as well. So it says restricted to only people added with the link and view. So if you were to copy out the link and send it to other people, then only the ones who are added to the list will be able to view out the file. But if I were to click on change to anyone with the link, then what happens is that this becomes a public link, and if I were to copy this and send it to other people, they will be able to access and view the file. Because anyone with the link is an option right here, and you can see viewer is an option. But if you want to give them editor privileges, then you can click on editor, and anyone with the link will be able to edit out the file. You can also change it back to restricted if you want to keep the file private again. So I'm just going to go around, press done, and the changes has been saved. So anyone with the link will now be able to view the file, while people added to the list will be able to edit out the file. You can go and access more settings from over here as well, and you can allow editors to change permission and share out the files as well, or you can get the viewers and commenters to see the option to download, print, and copy. If you don't want them to access these settings, then you can simply uncheck that out over here again. So over here, you can see that the other person right now is the editor, but if you want to transfer the ownership to them, then you can do that as well. So let's say if you were to click on transfer ownership, then what happens is that you can send the invitation, and the other person will now be sent invitation to be owner of the file, and if they accept it out, they become the owner, and you just get to be the editor of the file, and they can delete off of you from the sharing list as well if you were to do that. And those are the sharing options that you have inside of Google Drawings. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.